So first thing I'm doing is removing the negative terminal on the battery. Next, I'll need to relieve the pressure from the fuel system. So just spinning off this cap, and then I'm gonna put it up here. Now just using a flathead screwdriver, just gonna push on this. Now I just gotta spin the cap back on. So just coming in from the driver's side, I have some cardboard on the ground just to lay down on. Now I'm using a motorcycle jack to jack up the gas tank, just to relieve some of the tension on the straps. So just getting this guy up there. Need to undo these clamps for the fuel line. Just using a 7mm socket to undo this. And now that those are free, just using a flathead to get them loose. Next, I gotta come in on the passenger side. So here's where the straps are. You can see the bolt right there. And so just have a long extension and then using a 5/8 to get a hold of it. So breaking it free first. Now just gonna use the impact to take it fully out. Once the bolt's out, you can just take the strap completely out. There's a little slot right here, and then we just gotta do it to the other side. So before lowering the gas tank, I'm just up here. I gotta unplug some of these. So right here, there's a red tab. So you gotta pull that out to take the plug off, and then there's 2 fuel lines we'll need to unplug. And there we go. So got both of the fuel lines off. One of them actually just broke off when I tried to take it off, so good thing we're replacing that. Now as I'm lowering the tank, just wanna loosen these up and take these off. Now just gonna continue to lower the tank until it's completely on the ground. So just letting this guy down. Now you can see the fuel pump right there as we're almost on the ground. So this plug with the red tab, took this out once I had the gas tank on the ground, just a lot easier to do. Now just gonna really make sure I clean this up super good around the fuel pump. Don't wanna get any particles in the fuel tank as I'm taking that out. So this is the fuel line where the nozzle broke, so just pulled that out with some needle nose pliers. Now just using a flathead and a rubber mallet to get this guy loose and spin it. So getting closer, almost there. All right, now that the cap's off, gonna take this off so I can take the fuel pump out. I'll make sure to clean that up real good. Now again, before taking the fuel pump out, just gonna clean around where the cap was just to get all the debris off. Now it's time to pull the old fuel pump up. So just gonna get under here. Definitely gonna make a huge mess taking this out. And yep, we're spilling a ton of gas as we're getting this out. Almost there. And there we go. So I got the old fuel pump out next to the new one. That's why I did it in the rocks. So we're gonna need to take this float and we're gonna need to just put it in the same way. And there we go. I'm matching the other one. And then we're gonna take off the actual seal ring here and just reuse it. It's in pretty good shape. So I'm just gonna clean this up really good before I put it on the new one. And there we go, this just slips right up and onto the new pump. Now it's time to put the new pump in. So just gonna angle this float in first. So now I got the new fuel pump in, so just gotta spin the cap back onto the gas tank. So just pushing down while I'm spinning this just to get a bite on it, and then we're gonna hammer it in. And then just using a flathead and a rubber mallet again to tighten it. Now it's been changed out, so just gonna raise the gas tank back up with the motorcycle jack. As I'm raising it up, just got to make sure I line these up and connect them. And there we go, got those reconnected. Now just raising the fuel tank back up. And there we go, so I got it right in the same spot. Just kind of now reconnect the straps and we'll be good to go. All right, so got the straps bolted in and fuel tank all set where it needs to be. So now just need to start the truck up. So just gonna prime the fuel pump here. So just gonna turn the key on, turn it off, and then turn it on and start the truck, and should be good to go. So truck's running a lot better now. Hope this video is helpful if you need to change out your fuel pump. Not a hard job, just a little bit messy. So thanks for watching, guys.